Welcome back to Renovator. This is the final episode of this apartment transformation. In the previous episodes, you saw how we renovated the bathroom and the kitchen with the living room. Today, it's time for the bedroom. Enjoy the video. In the last episode, we showed how we managed to fit a kitchen into the living room, even though it was originally located in a completely different part of the apartment. After moving the kitchen, the old kitchen space lost its original function. With a large window and a rectangular layout, it turned out to be perfect for a bedroom. Along with the new bedroom, the hallway, the space that connects the entire apartment, also went through a transformation. The scope of work included the complete demolition of the old kitchen, preparing the room for its new function, and renovating the hallway. To improve the overall functionality of the apartment, we moved the bedroom doorway closer to the bathroom. This gave us more space for a wardrobe in the hallway and allowed us to install a large, full-size wardrobe in the bedroom. You've seen the entire process. Now it's time for the final result. Let us know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more transformation episodes. See you next time.